So far in this series, we've left beautiful Canada and driven down the Pacific Coast Highway through Washington, Oregon and California. After staying with friends in LA, it was time to hit the deserts of Nevada, staying a week in the sweltering heat of Vegas. Amazingly, we only spent $80 each in the whole time we were there, and somehow still managed to be drunk most of the time. In this episode, we make it to Arizona. Or do we?
Time to leave Las Vegas. We're actually going to go to just south of the Hoover Dam. We just pulled over. We haven't even got to the Hoover Dam yet. I keep losing power. Hi, I'm Ivan O'Connor and I've been travelling the world for nearly 4 years. Right now, I'm in the US on a 3-month road trip with my daughter, Kiera.
Hello!
Join us every step of the way by hitting that subscribe button.
Do it!
I'm resting the engine. I've only gone like 16 mile. We might have to go back to Vegas or go back to Boulder City just to get the van checked, because where we're going, I don't want to bloody break down in the middle of nowhere. New plugs, new HT leads, new distributor cap, new rotor arm, new air filter and a tune-up. $650. $650 I can't afford. They've done half of it and they've buggered off for the day, so we're sleeping in their parking lot. We've been locked in, by the way, we can't get out. Life in a garage, eh? One of the good things about being locked in a car park is that they've got internet. It's not very quick, but it's working. Might as well upload whilst I'm at it. By mid-morning, the garage had completed the work on the van and we retraced our steps back towards the Hoover Dam. The dam's down there. You can't bloody see it when you go over the big bridge though. Oh well, never mind, eh? When you get to the other end of the bridge, you actually cross into Arizona. Stopped again. We've driven about 35 miles now. Service engine light keeps coming on. If I stop, it goes off and it comes back on again. And the engine, when it comes on, the engine is kind of, yeah, it doesn't like it. It's still not right. I'm just gonna carry on, see what happens really. I haven't got much choice. We spent last night in Walmart. We got here and decided that was probably the best option. The other thing is that for the last 10 miles, the van has been going okay. Today we're gonna crack on. I was gonna go up north. If we went north, we'd actually go on the old Route 66. But it's a bit desolate out there and there's not much phone reception, so I'm a little bit concerned that I just wanna run it for, I don't know, 100 miles or so, just to see how it goes. So we're not going to go up on Route 66, we're going to stay south towards Flagstaff. So the van has been going really well. Service light hasn't come on, and yeah, it's been trundling along at 65, 70, no probs. And now we're at a place called Seligman, or just outside of it. So we've come along the 40, we've turned left at Seligman or whatever it's called, and we're going to go up and actually get on the old Route 66. This place is bloody awesome. There's loads of stuff and old signs and shit. Beer time. There's no duff. We have beer. Let's go further into the town and go and have a look. just saw the VW that was sticker bombed. Might as well put a curbside sticker on there, haven't I? We've actually made it to over 800 subscribers, so I must thank each and every one of you for your support. Let's see if we can get to 1,000. After spending a couple of hours in Seligman, we got back on the road and finally managed to get onto the proper Route 66. As you can see, it's really busy. So we found this awesome campsite off of the highway, and it's brought us over to the old Route 66. So this is the old Route 66. Not very wide, is it? That's where we are. And that's the rest of Route 66. So we're about 80 miles away from Grand Canyon National Park, or the entrance to it. Not sure whether we're actually going to the park today or camp up outside and then go in tomorrow. So we shall see. I'm having trouble sleeping. And I looked it up, we're actually at about 5,000 feet here, which isn't high, but 5,000's nearly a mile, isn't it? And I wake up and I can't breathe. It's really weird. Probably smoking doesn't help. Kiera's taking us out the wild camp, back to the road.
Do you feel at ease?
No, not at all. Slower, you bugger. So join us next time on our adventures through the US. We do finally make it to the Grand Canyon. That is one big hole.